This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off location in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To turn on or off location sharing on the LibreWolf browser, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, top thing, Location, you want to click on Settings off to the right side of Location. Now in the dialog box that opens up, towards the bottom, it says Block New Requests Asking to Access Your Location. If this box is checked, you're disabling location sharing, you're turning it off. If it's unchecked, you're allowing location sharing. Then the next thing you would do is go down toward the bottom of that dialog box and click on Save Changes. That is how to turn on or off location sharing on the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.